Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail for free on this website, which is spark.adobe.com/make/YouTube thumbnail, and I'll leave a link in the description that will bring you directly to this page that I am right now. So if you go straight to spark.adobe.com, it won't land you on the page, so I'll leave a link for this in the description down below this video. So when you're on this website, you wanna click on create YouTube thumbnail. Once you click on that, you just wait for it to load. As you can see, it's loading. If you don't have an account on spark.adobe.com, it will actually pop up a message telling you to create an account. But I already have an account, so it's gonna take me directly into my account. So just wait for it to open. Now I'm gonna choose the type of image I want to create. As you can see, I can just choose from square, which is 1:1, Instagram posts, Facebook, YouTube thumbnail, poster, and landscape. So I'll just choose on YouTube thumbnail and hit on next. Now once I'm on this page, it's gonna show me 3 image that I can choose from, but I can also upload my own image, which I won't do that for now. And I can also search for images. So let me just search for an image, or we'll do that later. So let me just click on skip, because I want to show everything from scratch. I don't want to skip. I don't want to do things the easy way. I want to go into it and go deep, because some YouTubers will actually just fly things off, and you'll be pretty much it for that. But I want to take you deep into this. So okay, just wait for it to load, and after that we'll start doing the job. It's actually taking a while, and now we are in. It's actually saving the project. Now, as you can see, this is the side. You can see double click to edit text. I can just double click that, and I can edit the text here. I'll just write here YouTube video and click on done. You can see here, this is it, YouTube video. I'll put this at the side here, right there. And now I can click on photos and click. You can either you can choose to upload photos, or you can choose from any of these accounts. But right now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just choose on free photos. Once I click on that, I can search for the type of photo I want. You can search for dogs, anything that you want. So I'll just search for surprise. Something surprise will be really good for YouTube thumbnail. So I'll click on surprise. Oh, surprise, and hit enter. Now they'll give me free photos that I can choose from. Actually, this site is actually taking you to pixabay.com, and they'll search for free photos on pixabay.com. If you don't know what pixabay.com is, it is a site that allows you to download free photos and use them for your any online thing without getting copyrighted. So if you want to know more about that, just check about my previous videos on free YouTube, free website to get YouTube videos. So right here, I'll click on, let me just see, this one is pretty cool, so I'll click on this one and wait for it to load. And it has loaded, so I'll just drag it to the side right here, and I'll leave that somewhere here. It's pretty much cool. And at the side here, I'll just add, let me just say, an icon. Let me just take something that will just make it cool, and I can put it here. Well, I actually made two of them, so let me just see, shift one here and shift another one here. And on the backgrounds, let me just choose something. Just do something like that. And I can actually add a text. Don't mind guys, this is just a tutorial. I won't have to do so much of this. You can double click to edit the text in this box. So that's how you can create a free cool YouTube thumbnail for pretty much nothing, because this is actually online. You won't have to download any softwares, everything is online. You just do the thing and upload that to your YouTube channel. So if you wanna download the file you created, just hit on download up here, and your file will be to download PNG, JPG, and other file sizes. So that's it for this video. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below this video. If you think this video helped you, just tell me down below this video. So see you in another video.